watching The Mainstream. I am Simran Shivalkar, your host for today, and we are at the third edition of the All Things BFSI and FinTech Summit brought to you by The Mainstream. I'm joined by Ms. Ankita Tiwari. She is the Director for Sales, North and West Region for Tech Democracy Coalition. Ankita, firstly, thank you so much for joining us today and joining me in this conversation.
Thank you so much, Simran, for having me here and, of course, giving us an opportunity to have the session over here with Mainstream. That's really an honor to be a part of this event.
Same here, the pleasure has been totally ours. That being said, as a key partner for this summit, Ankita, how is Tech Democracy or how is Coalition helping BFSI companies innovate securely and efficiently?
So, see, first of all, thank you for this question. First of all, I would actually like to explain more about what Tech Democracy Coalition is all about. So, every company these days, if I talk about mostly about the BFSI or the fintech customers, they are struggling with what all identity and access management solutions they should opt for. And to add here is every company is having some or the other solution on the identity and access management space because this is something which is governed by the RBI guidelines or by the regulators. So they definitely have to have these solutions. But the main question arises that are they having the right kind of solution in their environment, which is actually major the ask of the today's identity world, or the kind of solution which they are having at the moment, are they actually making full use of that particular platform which is already there in that place. So that is where Tech Democracy Coalition comes into picture, wherein we help the companies identifying the right fit for their organization, doing the gap analysis into the identity and access management space, and making them aware of what kind of technologies they should opt for, considering the end customers' experience, considering their user experience, the in house, because it is very important to have the seamless experience for the BFSI customers, as in their customers, and also as well as their employees,
Correct.
also, right? So, Tech Democracy is having this experience entirely into identity access management. We carry a 2 decades of experience, that is altogether of 25 years into this domain. And this identity is such a vast topic that you need someone having the core expertise into this platform,
Right.
right? And that is where we have been helping out all the BFSI customers.
Superb.
Yes.
And 25 years is definitely a big
Yes.
number, a legacy in itself.
Yes.
Ankita, thank you so much for giving us a glimpse of that. Why do you think events like, the mainstreams, all things BFSI, or summits like these kind of play a pivotal role, or how do they kind of help you in driving collaboration and innovation across this ecosystem?
Okay, so see, events actually, you definitely need some kind of platform wherein all the companies from the same stream should come together, and they should actually exchange the real time challenges which they are facing. They should be able to exchange the real time ideas wherein they are struggling with, and that's where events like Mainstream comes into picture, wherein they are organizing, especially with all the BFSI customers. We have the opportunity to talk about our product in the same line of industry, and that is where customers can also correlate well. They can also get indulged with same kind of community members which they have, the the sessions talking about the emerging technologies on the identity, talking about CIAM platforms, all these things,
Right.
these events actually help them understand. So I feel that, and I'm grateful that I got a chance to be a part of the Mainstream event, and I got a chance to interact with so many customers and got to interact with all of them.
Thank you so much, Ankita, for
Yeah.
sharing this space with me and helping us with your experience as well. While I wrap up, I look forward to connect with you again.
Thank you so much, Simran. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.